Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good afternoon, student. Sorry for that I have become late today. Yesterday I have given the introduction about the set, that which collection of the objects are called set and which collections are not called set. Now let's see the method of writing the set. So there are the two methods. First one is called the listing method and also called as the roster method. In the listing method, all the elements names are mentioned in the curly bracket, and remember this, that the each of the element is written only once and they are separated by comma. Now see the example given over here, the set of odd number between 1 to 10. Now between 1 to 10, okay, now the odd numbers. So now suppose one student have written that set as set A is equals to 3, 5, 7, 9, and second student have written the 7, 3, 5, 9. So now these two sets are correct. Okay, here order doesn't matter, but what is matters here, the number of element. So now between the 1 and 10, the odd numbers are 3, 5, 7 and 9. So here 7 is written first and then 3, 5 and 9. So here compare the elements. The odd numbers between 1 and 10 are same in both the set. So here there is no problem. If an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write the element only once. Example, in the word remember, the letter R, M, E are repeated more than once. So the set of letter of this word is written as A. Now here total number of letters without repetition is only 4. Okay. So now R is there in the word remember, E is there in remember word, and M is there in remember word, and B in the remember word. So here the set of the letters in the word remember is A is equals to R. In curly bracket you have to write down the elements R, A, E, M and B. Okay, now second method is called the rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of element but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. So in this method, the elements are not shown but elements are denoted by using the variable from A to Z. Okay, and we have to use here a small letter. यहाँ पे छोटे small letters use करने. Okay, now see one example is given here. A, how you will read it, set A is set of. Okay, A को क्या पढ़ेंगे, set A, equal की sign को क्या read करेंगे, is, and the when curly bracket start you have to say that set of. Now x is there, so x, so set A is set of all x. Vertical line will be read as such that x epsilon is there. Epsilon denotes the element of that numbers. Okay, now so x is element of n, or you can say the x belongs to n. Capital N is for the natural number, and x is greater than 1 and x is less than 10 because x is in between the 1 and 10. x कहाँ पे रखा उस वेरिएबल को, 1 and 10 के between, means x is greater than 1, so 2 will come, and x is less than 10, so the number which are odd numbers will come less than 10 here. Now this is the same as the set A. Here it is written in the listing method and here it is written in the rule method, and it is read as set A is set of all x. इसको read कैसे करेंगे, how we will read this set, Set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. Okay, understood? So here equal sign will be read as is, this curly bracket read as set of all, and this letter variable which is used all x if x variable is there, all y if the y is there, and this vertical line or column are read as such that, and then you will find the property of that element. Here x is the natural number between 1 and 10, so you can say that x belongs to natural number and it is between the 1 and 10. Okay, next part. See example number 2. B. Set B is set of all x such that x is prime number between 1 and 10. यहाँ पे क्या दिया, prime number between 1 and 10. So what are the prime number? Those number which can be divided by only two divisors. That divisor is 1 and number itself. वो number खुद और क्या है, 1 हो, उससे डिवाइड होने वाले नंबर को क्या बोलते हैं, प्राइम नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल is the 2. 2 is divisible by 1 as well as 2, and 3 is also divisible by 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are the prime number, and if you take the 4, so 4 are divided by 1, 2 and 4. So here divisors are more than 2, so this 4 is not prime number, it is composite number. So that's why it's the prime numbers between 1 and 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Now this is written in the rule method and this is converted into the listing method. Now see the set of the rational number. The set of the rational number is denoted by the letter q, and which can be written as q. Set q is set of all p upon q, where p and q belongs to integer. Here p and q mentioned, yes, epsilon sign is there. Epsilon sign denotes that this p and q belongs to I'm here I means integer, and q not equals to 0, और q क्या नहीं होना चाहिए, 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. So this is the condition, means if the denominator becomes 0, so that will not remain the rational number. Okay, now illustration. Now see the rule method and set builder form and their listing forms are given over here. Now see the set A. Set A is set of all x such that x is the letter of the word division. Now in the division word there is letter D, there is letter I, there is letter V, there is letter S, and there is letter O and letter N. Okay, and here I is repeated thrice, but we have to write only once. Remember this. Okay, while writing in listing form, what we have to do, we have to write each and every object or elements only once. It should not be repeated. Now see the B. Set B is set of all y. Set B is set of all y such that y is number such that square of y is equals to 9. So we know that the square of the 3 is equals to 9. Square of 3. Square of 3. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. And square of minus 3 is also 9. Okay, understood? Okay, now its listing method is given alongside. बाजू में ही क्या दिया है, listing method -3 and 3. Now next set C is set of all z such that z is multiple of 5 and is less than 30. Now multiple of 5 means those number which are divisible by 5 are called the multiple of the 5. उसी को multiple of 5 बोलते हैं हम लोग. Okay, now 5 से divisible smallest number क्या है, 5, and after that 5 after that there will be 10, next one 15, next one 20, 25. Here we cannot write the 30 because here it is given that less than less than 30, 30 से less, so it will be yes up to the 25. Now filling the blanks, यहाँ पे सब questions are given. Now see the listing and roster method are given. We have to convert into the rule method. उसको rule method में convert करना है. Okay, now see the first example. Set A is set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now observe carefully. The set A contains the natural numbers. So what is written in the rule method? Set A is set of all x. Now at place of the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, x is written. सब भी जितने एलिमेंट है, एलिमेंट की प्लेस पे क्या रखा गया है? x. And x is an even natural number less than 15. And even natural number less than 15, 15 से smaller natural number, even natural numbers है. Now see the b, here rule method is written. Here what is written? Rule method. Set B is set of all x. X is the perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now what is meant by the perfect square? Now squares, the number obtained after squaring of the natural numbers are called the perfect square number. For example, when you take the square of 1, so you will get the 1 into 1 is equals to 1. Square of 2, so 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Now square of 3 is equals to 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Square of 4 is equals to 4 into 4 is equals to 16. Square of 5, 5 into 5 is equals to 25. And square of 6 is equals to 36. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. After that 49, 64, 81, 100, these are the perfect square numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are not perfect square number. Perfect square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121. But what is asked in the question में क्या पूछा है? Now you understood the meaning of the uh, perfect square number. So here what you will write in the listing method, here you have to write down the name of the set. Here name of the set is B, okay, and the x is perfect square number between 1 to 20. So between 1 to 20 the perfect square number is 1, next one is 4, next one is 9 and next one is 16. Okay, here we cannot include the 25 because this will become greater than the 20. Now see the third listing or roster method is given. Now we have to convert into the rule methods. Okay, now see the set C. Set C contain the element A, E, I, O, U. And what is the specific about the letters A, E, I, O, U in English alphabet? So these 5 letters are called as the vowels and remainings are called as the consonants. So here we have to write down in the rule method that set C is equals to, now at place of the A, E, I, O, U, we have to use one variable. So here now I am using the variable y. So set C is equals to, okay, variable y, vertical line, then y is, now we have to describe the element. So y is vowels in English alphabets. In English alphabets. Okay, now next example. See the next one. The set D is set of all y such that y is color in the rainbow. So here you have to write down the colors in the rainbow in the listing form. तो you have to remember the color of the rainbow by formula विप ग्योर. कैसे लर्न करके रखेंगे? Using the formula विप, VIB, विप, GYOR. Okay. Now you can write down the all colors in rainbow. So here set D is equals to curly bracket V for violet. Next color represented by I is indigo. I for indigo. Next will be B for blue. Next one, next letter is G for green. Next one is Y, yellow, and O for orange and R for red. So in this way you can remember the names of the colors in rainbows in the sequence, in proper sequence. Okay. Now next one. See the next one. Here it is written in the rule method. We have to write down in the listing method. Set P is set of all x such that x is integer and x is greater than minus 3 and x is smaller than 3. Now see, x is variable, means x is nothing but the elements of this set, and x is in between the minus 3 and 3. It means that x elements are present between the minus 3 and 3. Okay, so now the integers between minus 3 and 3 are minus 2. So here in set P the element will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so this 5 element will come in set P. Now next one and last one. See the set M. It is given in listing form. We have to write down in the rule methods. Set M is set of 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Now here we have to find out the relationship between the numbers present in this set. Now see the after 8. After 8 there is 27, and after 27 there is 64, and after 64 it is 125. So these are the perfect cubes of the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 जो सेट M में दिख रहा है आपको. तो सेट M में जो एलिमेंट्स है दे आर परफेक्ट cubes of the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here what we have to write, okay, and so on is written here. So now here we have to write down the x for these variables and how we are getting the that variables. So now see, this can be written as set M. Okay, set M is set of all x. Suppose I have taken the x, okay, x for all these elements, and how we are obtaining the x is equals to, now suppose n cube, because here these are the perfect cubes, these are the perfect cube. So suppose x is equals to n cube or cube of n. Now what is in n, what is at place of n? So at place of n there are the natural number. So here we have to write down the one more property of n. N belongs to natural number, and the limit here the natural numbers. Now it is up to 125 and so on is shown here. So here n belongs to natural number. Okay, it is enough now, because if there is a full stop in the set in the listing, method, then we have to write down its borders, its limits. But here so on is shown, that's why this is n. Have to write down n belongs to natural number. Okay, so this is the set m in the rule method. Now come to your practice set 1.1. Okay, the first question in practice set 1.1 is write the following sets in the roster form. राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट्स इन द रोस्टर फॉर्म. अब यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है, रोस्टर फॉर्म में मेंशन करना है. ओके, एंड यू नो दैट इन रोस्टर फॉर्म we have to write down the all element. First one, set of even natural numbers. Okay, here name of the set is not given, so here you are free to denote that set by letter using the capital letter A, B, C, any letter you can use to denote the first one. Okay, now second one is the set of the even prime number from 1 to 50. Set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. And third question is set of the negative integers. And fourth one is the seven basic sound of the sargam. ओके, सेवन बेसिक साउंड ऑफ द सरगम. तो सरगम के जो सेवन बेसिक नोट्स है उस नोट को मेंशन करना है यहाँ पे. ओके, so now how you will write the answers? First you have to write down the questions. Question 1 is set of all natural numbers. Okay, set of even natural numbers. Second, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Third question is set of negative integers. And fourth one, seven basic sound of a sargam. Seven basic sound of a sargam or sur. Okay. Okay, question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में क्या करना है, राइट द फॉलोइंग symbolic statements in words. Symbolic statement in words. Okay, now see the answer of the first one. फर्स्ट का आंसर कैसे लिखोगे आप लोग ऑब्जर्व करो. ओके,